Let's cut the garbage. You've spent months watching high-quality courses, you've got the certifications, and you're still stuck. You submit 50 resumes and they vanish into the job application black hole. Why? Because courses teach you syntax, but the real world hires for context and proof of impact. The hidden gap isn't your coding ability. It's your inability to prove with quantifiable evidence that you can solve the specific daily problems a senior engineer is facing. Standard resumes and LinkedIn profiles are just noise. The game is rigged to filter you out unless you apply this simple 3-step framework. We're not selling you another course. We're giving you the environment and the training to cheat the system. Ready to stop applying and start getting recruited? This is the framework. Step 1 is building the undeniable proof. This means moving beyond boilerplate projects to tackle real-world coding challenges, the exact problems seniors face every day. We use our Discord and Patreon space to team you up and collaborate. You get peer structure and direct access to seniors to solidify the knowledge and solutions in your mind. But doing the work isn't enough. You must document it. That's why we enforce structured portfolio and case study generation. You will convert every project into a public-facing case study using the STAR method. This process ensures you always demonstrate shipping ability by deploying your final product to a live server like Vercel or GitHub Pages. This proves you know the full life cycle. This proof then feeds directly into your ATS-Proof resume and professional LinkedIn profile, making sure the recruiters find you fast. Step 2, the welcome factor. Teams hire people they want to work with. We focus on teaching the soft skills needed to thrive in a team. You solve real-world soft skills challenges within your project teams: conflict resolution, project management, and high-stakes communication. And crucially, your seniors are trained on Socratic feedback. We don't give you the answer. We ask guiding questions. This promotes deeper, lasting learning and true mastery. We've covered the proof and the persona, but none of that matters if you fumble the landing. The final step is the most critical: turning your application into an accepted offer. Step 3, interview conversion. Your resume got you in the door. Now you need to prove you are the consultant, not just the code monkey. We train you on the actual, modern behavioral and technical questions using your own case studies as proof. Your answers become evidence, not just memorized lines. We focus on the core attributes that foster faster, deeper learning: psychological safety and high expectations. We ensure a safe space using private channels and anonymous tools so you can admit confusion or ask sensitive questions without fear of judgment. This environment, combining experiential learning with immediate, constructive feedback, is engineered to get you hired and prepare you to excel immediately. If you're ready to stop the endless loop of course consumption and start solving real-world challenges, it's time to join our community. Our Patreon and Discord space is where the framework lives. This is where you get paired with project teams, access the senior-led challenges, and receive the Socratic feedback that turns knowledge into mastery. For less than the cost of one single, generic online course, you gain the environment, the mentorship, and the definitive framework that lands the job. This is the investment in context and proof that recruiters will actually pay attention to. If this framework made sense, hit the like button and comment your biggest job search pain below. If you know someone else struggling, share this video with a friend right now. And of course, subscribe for more industry truth. But if you want to apply the framework today, click the link in the description to join our Patreon and Discord community. Your career acceleration starts right now. See you inside.